All right, we're starting our walk around video here on our 2017 Buick Cascada. We do these videos to point out any blemishes so that there's no surprises for our out-of-state or out-of-area customers. So I'll be pointing out anything that I see. Front bumper here on the passenger side is where we're starting. Looks real good. Couple little tiny chips, just kind of average wear for something with these miles. Headlight looks fantastic. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks excellent. I don't see any major like love bug damage or chips or rock scratches or anything like that. You got a couple little chips from here and there, nothing major. Front fender on the driver's side, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel, no curb rash whatsoever. I'm gonna call the tires at about 75%, real nice. Side view mirror looks good. Driver door looks excellent. No major blemishes there. This is just a little dirt that comes off, no problem. Rear panel looks fantastic, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel looks great, no curb rash. Looks like a matching set of Bridgestones, but the rear tires are probably a little closer to about 40% on the rear, okay? Rear bumper looks excellent. Little scuff right here. Rear tail lights look good. This looks good. Second tail light looks real good. And I'll have to open that up for you in a little bit here. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side. No scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel looks fantastic. No curb rash. All right, so there's actually a practically brand new wheel or tire on the passenger side. Passenger door looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings there. Actually, you got one little tiny nick right here. Side view mirror looks real good. Front fender looks real good, and the front wheel looks fantastic. No curb rash. And so it looks like out of the four tires, the left rear tire is the weak one. Everything else looks pretty strong. Okay. Glass all looks fantastic. No cracks, no stars, no bursts. Top. Let's get with the top here. Looking at the stitching for any separation, I don't see any.